Moblem abo sister stock feeling. I'm a cheater they kuni. Mom go pose boni. Now we ring in my phone. Moblem abo sister stock feeling. I'm a cheater they kuni. Mom go pose boni. Now we ring a cow.
B-boys. Round of applause, please.
Sanibonani bafethu. Abangaphandle mabangene bafethu kanti sizeleni. I go by the name of B Poisons, Mfana ka Poisons, all the way from the podium zone, representing Rising Sun TV channel 504, Ringakau. So I have a show on TV called Ringakau. Guys. Energy is important, yes. At least settle down. Nice one. We're good. Thanks, Bafethu. Nyanibungelela, the kids, the future. Because today I'm here to empower the youth. At the same time, empower the elders. So Konugus empower. But yet again, as represent again, Ikamalam it's B, Umfana ka Poisons. All the way from the podium zone, media and entertainment. Suga Kona Lapoya. And then I represent Rising Sun TV channel 504. 504 Bafethu. That on your StarSat decoder. Same thing like your DSTV, but StarSat decoder. So it's a channel called Rising Sun TV. Abana ma StarSat ni fageni nzoboni show yamba fethu ne. I'm here to empower you. Ngikhuluma nani? Ngifuna ukukhuluma nani? Angithi show yami igama la it's Ringakau. Niyazi ini Ringakau? Dona yami. Awazi ini Ringakau. Ringakau khuluma out. Because I'm here to talk to you. Angithi. And then I hope nifundile from uteacher, because uteacher unfaka esikolweni. Ngacawuthi benze nje eventini, nize nje eventini, then sidla amakhekhe, then say no, siyafunda ngithi siyafunda. Na Saturday siyafunda ngithi. Anifuna ukufunda? Asifunda ngithi. Yeah, so ngizonifundisa. But before ngiqala, I hope niyathandaza. I hope you youngsters are prayers. And understand umthandazo, ne? Yes. But beside logo, bafethu, to everyone that took his time, azela asibonge. Asibonge isikhathi senu ukuthi niyeke yonke into eniyenzile emakhaya nazala. Nani ngabe ngaphandle manje ngabe ladlala ngithi. Angithi kids. Ngabe nadlala bafethu angithi. Banaka ndlala nganiqoqekile niplomile yi. Nifuna ukumamela ukuthi ama elders azothina ngithi. Yeah, sifuna ukukhuluma nani thina sifuna ukunifundisa ngithi. Okay kancane. Askis man, ne? Askis nan. Zone empower bafethu. I'm here to motivate you spiritually, physically, mentally. Because I believe ukuthi amagama or inkulumo isuthisana ukudlula ukudla. Angazi if I understand le nto engishayo. Inkulumo. If I'm here, ni there, you're wasting, in fact you're not wasting, you investing your energy and time to listen to me. That means cooperation ikhona. Nifuna ukuzwa ukuthi uzothini lo bhuti. But before ngiqala, elders, my topic of the day basically it's black empowerment. I'm here to empower you. I'm here to empower nina qala before ngizongena ebantwaneni. Because I believe ukuthi niyama elder kanje niyabona ukuthi siphile esikhathini esijana, I'm be straight. Siphile esikhathini esrough. Siphile esikhathini whereby things are dangerous. That we are a danger to each other. Ngani ngenzonto. Ngani ngenkulumo ezimbi instead of entertaining inkulumo ezinhle. Why each and every time thina abantu abamnyama, when it comes to futhi ngathi abantu abamnyama as a black nation, as people, sinenzondo, sinonyatso, sinokudlala. I mean abantu abadala nabantwana sinokudlala. And I mean it by that. Because of they have the right to play. We have the right to pay for them because we've played enough. I believe from the third generation to the second generation, we are from the first to the third generation that they are the fourth generation. If you guys are not aware, we're living in the fourth industrial revolution. That's 4IR. It's cut everything where it's digital, it's visual. That's why these kids can play with the phone. Bazama phone labantwana. Ukudlula ini, ukwazi ama homework wabo. Why? Because thina abazali siyafeyila. Fundisa abantwana bethu ama homework wabo. Then bafeel dependent to themselves. Ukuthi bazosifundisa. Mabaqale bazifundisa sibazi sizenza nthini. Uthatha umkhuba from umntana kabanibani. Why? Why don't you take initiative when as an elder or as umzali to understand ukuthi uzalini? Why umzali? Brothers, Autian, Manier, Shaili Motivation. DJ, shout out to Afro West, because this wouldn't be possible without Afro West. Shout out to Afro West, and shout out to everybody's energy that made this to be possible, because it wouldn't be possible if the seats were empty. But it's possible because the kids are here. Ukudlula abantu abadala abalapha ngaphandle bayaphuza. Ngicabanga ukuthi amapiano asazolasta after 10 years. Nayi future. Now amapiano lengane lezi. If sofundisa lengane lezi ukuthi ziyekela ukumamela amapiano, sifunde incwadi. If sizofundisa lengane lezi ukuthi ziqale ziba ama-inventor, zicode, zokhona ukushaya forex for the next 10 years, baba ama-millionaire. Siba nini ama-millionaire thina bodaki? Why? Because sinenzondo to each other. Ambeka uzenza ngcono ngoba uvele TV. Ambeka uzenza ngcono ngoba uphasile. Why? Why singake sithatha inkulumo yethu sithathe sibeke kube inkulumo enhla ukuthi sizokhona ukufaka. These are seeds. These are seeds. Your words is the water that's seeding these kids. What are you feeding your kids daily? Ukuhlala phansi ubamba ifoni yakho unaka abantu ukuthi bathini instead of ubonde nomntanakho. Umntanakho sekamdala akakwazi because ubondanga naye. Uzoblame abani? Ngiyayibuyisa futhi lento le. Ngithe nathandaza. Because mangithi ngiyathandaza ngikhumbuza uNkulunkulu, kwamele umazi uNkulunkulu. I'm sure abantwana abazi uNkulunkulu ukudlula thina. Niyakwazi lokho? Bantu abadala la. Abantwana bazi uNkulunkulu ukudlula thina. Because akuna right, akuna wrong. Ile abafundiswa yona. Ukuthi be right. Hayi ungadlali nomntana kabanibani. Why? Mzali. Ungathi hamba udlala naloya mntana loya ngoba uyambona ukuthi uNtswembu kanjani ngebhola uzofunda iskills sebhola. Ngiyabuya kwabantu abadala. Kids yini? Indaba ingani? Ingani? I'm happy because at least you participate. And I hope ukuthi participate estradeni kuphela. Uyamamela umamakho. Uyamamela ubabakho. Why? Kwamela umamela umamakho nobabakho. Because umamela uNkulunkulu. Uzomamela umamakho nobabakho because ula ngendaba kamamakho nobabakho. Nadle ebusuku kumnandi. Anazi ukuthi sindlula through ini thina abantu abadala fonina ukuthi nidle. But if you pay attention, pay attention to Manier. Neke ugwarane, chaza ukugwara. Chaza into zomhlaba. Sutholela umhlaba sowushiya la. But mawuzazi ukuthi mina ngithatha isikhathi sami ngithi youth. It means lento engikhulumayo uyayizwa ukuthi ngithini. Because we understand ukuthi youth angithi nafunda esikolweni. Nafunda esikolweni angithi angishikani kanje ngiyakhuluma ringa kawo. Because I believe mangizoba soft. Hayi mntwana yami. Ngeke ungizwe. That's why umzala azokuchika endlini. I hope you're paying attention. I hope niyafunda kithi. I hope lento eyenzakala la niyayibona ukuthi yini. I hope mawulala ebusuku lamagama engilibele ngiwakhuluma azosala ekhanda lakho. Because uzozazi ukuthi ubani. Mawazi uNkulunkulu, hayi uNkulunkulu ukuthi kwamele uye esontweni wazi uNkulunkulu, wazi uNkulunkulu wazi ukuthandaza. Wazi ubuntu, wazi isintu, wazi ukuthi yini umuntu. Akunidi ukuthi umuntu omdala osesayidini akutshela athi uyadelela. Awumameli. Nganje ngoba bakho. Labo mama bangale, abo mama bakho. Ningichaza ngoba nithi malume. Uthi malume mafuni 1 rand, malume mafuni stock sweet. Wawungathi malume. Nanoma ngikubiza ngizokuthuma. Kanjalo ufunde respect because kuthiwa indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Yithi abaphambili. Sanifundisa indlela. Back to the elders. My sister. Umuntu wesimame maka pregnant or angene stage sokuba pregnant. Uyu umuntu sondelene kakhulu kuNkulunkulu. That's why ukhona conceive, ukhona ukuletha youth. You guys are the future, again. But how do you empower each other as abosisi? By filters on the phone? By weighing on my weave? By using us as a vessel just to get what you guys want? Because unemali. Why ningahlali phansi nikhuthazane ngokudla? Because tina samachita, that's why this brother love, sister love is fake. Because you talk about man, you talk about us, you motivate us, you discourage us on the corner while we're not knowing. Tindo daikal, sakalelana tina masisota samachita. Out yam, ege kuraf, ya better. Because asabi tunukchelana logo marani na bantu besimami na saba. Because uzothini ngami. Wawunendaba ukuthi abantu bazothini ngawe, unganandaba ukuthi uNkulunkulu ucabangani ngawe. Why? If we understood or if we know, Mausberg is feeling every day. That's curiosity. That's you wanting to know outside of the system. That's you understanding ukuthi siswami. Hayi thina machita siphumele ekholeni, sibheka bosisiphethu. Sifundani lezi? Because sifunda sibhekile lezi. Awuthi amfundisa kanti ufunda ukubhekile. Le ntwana yadelela. Why? Because ya defender. Le ntwana yathumeka wena. I'm here to empower you ngeqiniso. I'm here to teach you to grow your mind because now I'm growing spiritually. I bet sonke siyazi ukuthi spiritually it's the #1 conquer of everything. Above religion. Spirituality. That's why there's the Trinity. The mind, the body, the soul. But now what are you feeding your body? Drinking him, uhlezi uphuza njalo, ushaya piano. Umzwile ubanibani uMaporisa? Maporisa is making money. Why ngathi ngimzwile uMethafor? Ngimzwile uRasta. Ngiyambona ubhuti wami, ngiyakubona uThami. Why? It's priceless to say that. But it's prizeful. Nge-ego nama-alter ego wethu ukuthi mangizothi le inswembu bazothini. Ngiyabuya ngithi. Usaba ukuthi abantu bazothini, wena uthini ngawe. I'm here to motivate. I'm here to empower. I'm going to share a little testimony about me. I come from a small town called Orlando East, Soweto. The first class after DK, second class after DK. I've been in the industry since I was probably this age. The era of Zambia, I was there, but I was behind. Oh, because I'm studying the industry to understood to even do a real life study, not even study the industry. Now saying study shumhlaba. Because the homework le. If you guys are aware ukuthi mawulala uyafa every day, then you get to resurrect ekuseni njalo mawuvuka. Mawuvuka wenzani? Seke youth, they still need their mind to be busy. You elders, what are you doing? First thing, you hold your phone. Lack of meditation. No, you don't even know how to meditate. How to meditate ukuhlala phansi. Do you know what's meditation? Do you know what's prayer? To understand meditation, you need to know what is prayer. Prayer is not God bless our food. Before we eat, then you eat. Saying like a white man because you don't mean it. Prayer changes things. Prayer, it's a call. It's like my phone song. Nkulunkulu akadingi ifone. Udinga isikhathi sakho ne-attention yakho ukuthi umfonele. Ngakhali because uqawuthi mawukhala uqawuthi special. Mtshele ukuthi uwonile, mtshele ukuthi wenzeni, mtshele ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi abantu bayaloya, mtshele ukuthi kuyenzakalani zonke izinto lezi ezenzakalayo ezibhedayo. As much as you spend your time kuma YouTube, kuma WhatsApp, spend your time and meditate. Meditation, it means you taking time to switch off the world to listen to yourself within yourself. That's meditation. You know why? Because God is inside us. It's us. We are gods. He's around us. Once you pay attention to know who you are, you're not going to look far. That's why an apple never falls far from a tree. uNkulunkulu kuyenze wena ngeimage yakho wena wenza uNkulunkulu ngayiphi image. Image as a TV. Image on social media. Image of lawyer. This is black consciousness. This is black excellent. I'd like to see these boys as cold. I'd like to see this boy appear to the same mindset that I have 100 times. Because we're not going to be there. They'll be there. I don't need to be intimidated by him. I don't need to be intimidated by you, my brother. I intimidate myself. I'm in competition with myself. I failed yesterday. I'll try today. I'll try tomorrow. Because I don't need to be distracted by someone else. Well, I know who I am. Once you know who you are, you will know who's God. You will know Omunyu, my sister. You don't even need to go to school for respect. You'd understand. Bawuboni out izwakala kanje. Umbulise. You know ukubulisa, it's like dialing a phone. Dialing a phone, expecting lo muntu to receive from the answer for the other side. But now, if ukubulisa ngokupretenda or ukubulisa ngani nge-energy embi, aware ukuthi u receive energy ebhedayo. Because we spiritual beings, we energy. That's why the life is divided into two, duality. Good, bad. Nabantu ababi emhlabeni. Yes, kwamele kube nabantu ababi because umhlaba kwamele ubalance. That's it. That's why there's naughty kids. That's why there's good kids. That's why a naughty kid can be a good kid. Because you learn from the yin and the yang. You learn from the good side to the bad side. We've been taught. I'm here to unlearn you guys' mind from what you guys have been taught. The mind is above the system. The mind is above the system. Because the mind is the one that created the system. Yes, we have to eat. We have to wear. Then what? Then when you die, how are you connected with your soul while we are living? Okay, let's say I die. How am I connecting myself with my soul while you guys are still living. If you're not spiritually attached with yourself, you lost. You will be lost. Because you used to believe to abazalo, amafoni, izinto zenyama. That's why I mean isamba so. Ebusuku sama magician sonke sandiza utanazi. Because you die from this vessel to go to the spiritual world every day. You don't need to practice that. It's something that's happening automatically. But are you paying attention when you're there? Where are you? Or are you sleeping? You know, when you pay attention to where you are, when you're in the spiritual realm, trust you me, conscious. Conscious, that's a deep context. It's not like, I'm a banana. It's conscious. You hear the word. We're living on the fourth industrial revolution, whereby whereby they acknowledge white supreme ancestors or Jesu, but you acknowledge ancestor swap. We are the living ancestors to this generation. I'll tell you that for free. These ones, once we dead, we are the, you hit amadlozi was. See amadlozi izinto amadlozi into zokuloya. Then you want to become white. Then you get lost because you want to be white. And then when you're lost, bayakuloya bayiziseke isipana sihlangana. It's because uflathela into zakho awuzazi ubani. Thatha uNkulunkulu umbeka phambili yithi la amadlozi move. That's why each and every time when you feel the presence, when you somewhere ucabange nje or ubone or ucabanga ukuthi bengikhuluma nobani bani, that's psychic, that's telepathy with your mind. Ngikhulume no bhuti wami laphayana even without talking verbally. My voice is the frequency right now, me talking to you. Because how I go up, how I go down, it's how I vibrate through how I speak. If you're awake, the pineal gland automatically hits. You feel because I'm speaking in codes. I'm speaking sense into your head. That's why you hear the vibration, because the guy is speaking sense. Next week, I see life. We artists. How are we bettering you as an artist? Shy poem out here. That's me. Afro West, you did it. Next time I want to see jumping castle, kids bumping after that. This is economical development. What are we developing? Because it's developing. And let me tell you this for free, Bafetu. I thought I was going to do a set for this. Thought I was going to do all my entrance, sounds, blah, blah. You know, we creatives, we've got this exquisite mind. I couldn't do it because I was contemplating, meditating, praying about this. And I'm grateful, Shaba, my brother. I was like, yazi ngathi ngaqwala abantwana kule event. Because who are we empowering? Out here, the lost souls, whereby when we're speaking like this, they feel intimidated. But I'm not direct. Because I'm here speaking. It's through God's channeling. Channel through me. Through me. I said it. I have a TV show on TV. I wouldn't achieve it without Lea Purada Loya or my dreads. That's my brother. Each and every time I go to radio, go speak about my TV show, it's this guy. Me and him, me talking like this is up jail. It's me daily. It's my life. I used to sit down and him, singene conscious, let's get deep, discuss. Elders, are you aware that every 4 years white people gather in one space to discuss black? I don't know if you guys are aware. Are you aware, my brothers? You're not aware, ne? I'll tell you that for free. They do that. This guy, Bishop Mapungwa, I've met him. I've met Mapungwa. Bonzo, bengekho now, bengno Charmaine. Shoot some TV show for one KZN. In fact, I shouldn't even mention them, some channel. He's talking about them, what is it bringing for us? We need food for the kids. We need good stuff for the kids. So we went to a private seminar in Kos. I didn't even know with these kings. King Bongani III, you guys know him. By busy Embo Kingdom. Playing Dawayakon, you can Google it, check it. I was there. Endo Kingdom, it's kings, the people that are running the world, gathered into one space to discuss what's above politics. What are we discussing, Tin? Daily. Lord, since I tell you, energy, that's talking. Because you what you say, you what you eat. That's why when you're not eating good, you're not going to be good. Just from not eating good, you're not going to be good. You're not going to think good. And once you're not going to think good, you're just going to think what you eat. Because you understand what you're eating. Right now, I'm all about the youth and empowering you guys. Right now, on the streets, there's people selling drugs. What are you people doing? Nothing. Our brothers, for instance, what are we doing? Nothing. Instead of us zotin, I lay lam tawa drugs. Why? Yakhaza mawusho kanjalo. Yakhaza. You know, if you pay attention and understand the goodness, ngiyabonga mama wami. Ngiyabonga mama. Ngisasho ngithi akukhulumi mina mama. Khuluma uNkulunkulu. Because impilo yami mama ngwenzile amapiano. Siphuzile sadaka, we did it. But when you get to a spiritual realm to understand who you are, you get to see umhlaba differently. Wow, we had Sodom and Gomorrah, this is hell. How are we saving the last remaining people? That's when uNkulunkulu angena kuwe. Uyakalawa ukuthi ukhulume nabanye abantu. I go to school to go motivate the kids. And I'm not going to motivate them. Hayi ntwana yami, afunda uzoba ntswemba Ngifuna ufunde uqede isikole ukhode. Ngifuna ufunde ukuthi uqabanga ukurun icompany yakho wena. Ngifuna ukuthi usebenze, uhambe usebenze Pick n Pay. Asibonge mama. Akuna stress mama. Asibonge mama. Asibonge mama. Nila emoyeni bafethu. Ngayisawule kancane. Bafethu ngiyabonga for isikhathi senu nibahle yazo. Nibahle. Zonitshela mina for free. Wichama ntwana yami yazo namachama. Nibahle bosisa abancane. Zinja ze game. Sama future thina. That's why sila singahlalanga lapha sidakwa intsango. There's nothing wrong ngayo ne, but singahlalanga lapha ya. Sishayela izolo emakhaya, sibhizi sibheke internet. Sila ngoba sifuna ukufunda ngithi. And siyazibuza ukuthi yo, usishaba uhlanganise le event, siwabonile ama speaker. Aletha ama dynamics ahlukile ngithi. Siyafunda. And minus ukufunda, we tapping into each other's world. Njoba ngila ngifuna ama number wenu mina majenza ngiyilena le ngiyawafuna. Because ngifuna ukutexta, ukukhuthaza, ukushala ama motivation quotes every day. Mangine time ngikubhelele ngikutshela ukuthi intwana yami ngawari umhlaba kanje kusasa so but namhlanje sizoyenza ube so. So tunani kids. Asibambeni incwadi ne. Mara ngifuna ukunibona nabo businessmen. Bafethu ngifuna ukunibona nama andifuna ukudrive ama Lamborghini. Ama Ferrari. Kwamele ucabange kanjalo ngangitshele ngegolf ngithi ngangitshele ngegolf. Kwamele ungitshele ngeFerrari, ngeLamborghini. Angithi ukuthi manje kuqaqa ukuthi yazini. ngicabangela le. Ngifuna ukungena le. Elders, remember that time sisasengaka. Sengini, these are just last words just came into my mind. Sisasengaka. Sonke kanje machita. Remember the time sisaselapho ngiyakubuyisa manje. Gents, yakhumbula lesikhathi mfethu usadlala ngestina. Imabul uyifila ngathi PS7 or PS10 angazi bakuphi but uyifila ngathi imabul. That's why, because you used to share energy nezinja zakho nidlala imabul. Enjoy indigenous games. But now remember when you were a kid. Funa ukunikhombisa ukuthi meditation ne-affirmation isebenza kanjani. Laws of attraction, abelungu mabasho. Laws of attraction. I'm this boy. This boy has a bicycle. Ne? I'm this boy. Aware ukuthi I've never driven a bicycle ever in my life. But this boy is going to make me to drive a bicycle. Automatically in my own head, I have a bicycle. Aware. Nanoma ngaselami kwelakhe. That's appreciation. So ngifuna ukunibuyisa, elders. Thina sikhulile saziluza lezo zinto because that's why. Isikolo sisimesapile. Jardini basimesapile. Abangani besicabanga ukuthi abangani bethu basimesapile. In life isimesapile. But we fixa kanjani? Ngiyabuya sizoyilungisa. He's driving the bicycle. It's his bicycle. Wawa ukuthi uzol-enjoya naye kakhulu because uzol-share nomunye umuntu. So akanamona. Yashare, yathanda ukushare. So now, how laws of attraction works. He feels like it's his bicycles, ain't it? Sharp. Uzothi each and every time makavula incwadi or makabheka ngikhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu spana in codes, and if you're not paying attention, you're not going to see ukuthi uNkulunkulu utsembu kanjani. It's like a paradox. Spana nje kanje la. Spiral. But if Fibonacci sequence, so they say. So now on your head, you've driven a bicycle like a boy. It's at night now. You still, this is what I mean. Now you're still driving the bicycle at night. Because you're taste. So you can't wait for tomorrow to go to him to go drive the bicycle. And you're going to hear the motto or the whole concept of what I'm saying. So now you're going to start looking everywhere. When you look everywhere, you're born a bicycle. That's why. It's because the mind is channeling itself and they're talking to the universe. Because you speak with frequency. You speak with your mind before you speak with your voice. So now, so bicycle. It's just you weren't paying attention because but now because of cell phone, bicycle everywhere. Magazine, advert, you understand? Shoot yazin, bicycle la kombisa la khalise. Liting la paya. So you're seeing with the spiritual eye. Then you get the bicycle. Then you drive with him, then there's two of you. Then the others get inspired. Then so we scheme some bicycle. That's the closing of the chapter, the motto of it. Anxiety, depression. What's that? I don't know it because I'm spiritual. I don't get depressed, I don't get bored. I'm me. I entertain myself. You get depressed because of ushawa mama like someone you muntu. Ushawa into ekhalele phone. So now you've lost all the dynamics. That time you were 6-year-old boy that you could manifest a bicycle lakho. But you failed to manifest $1 million on your account. But you think like you were a millionaire. No offense, that's the fact. You're not going to be a millionaire if you're working for someone else. You become a millionaire when you work for yourself, when you understand, what is it, the million? I think keep it 10 rand, you can access a million, and keep it 10 rand. We have generation curses to break. But what are you doing now to break yours? Are you comfortable with the life that you're living? Or you want to live like your Elon Musk? All of these guys, they are great guys. They wouldn't be just become great guys if they haven't done a lot. About Oprah. But now, Azania. Kazabo Oprah or Kazabo Azania. Kazabo Shaga or Kazabo Musheshwe. Or Kazamo politician. The same time or the same intellectual or the same energy that you're spending. Ukhuluma ngabantu. It's the same time that you'd be spending on your dream. Investing on your dream, praying, contemplating on your dream. My testimony is the Podium Zone. That's my company. I run it. I've run it to a point to which I had a house, a bank. I've experienced the greatest of life to a point that those are trips. It's just going to Gold Reef City, go entertain my rides. Those are trips, they're nothing. But what are you harvesting from your energy to give out to the universe? I always tell my brother, Ngiti, what is it that you pay the universe each and every time that you wake up? Because waking up is for free. But what are you paying the universe? It's a deep question. I always say, I pray the universe. I pay tribute to the universe by standing in front of kids, you guys, talking what I'm talking. Because I'm not scared to talk. Nhlanhla is my home. I'm so happy for what he's doing. He's invoked me. Now I'm going to you know what? Economical development. How are we grooming our economy? If things over racist, mina ngiyini. Because umoya akunamshangana. Umoya una race, umoya una culture. Umoya. That's why sonke is now. But if you understand humility, you understand what you are. You acknowledge everything. You praise everything. This guy is an MC. He's an artist. He's a creative. He doesn't have a category. But once I